tinatawag nating sakripisyo, no? Yung penitensya na sinasabi na kung saan makikita mo yung mga nagpe-penitensya na nahihirapan talaga sila sa kanilang mga ginagawa. Talagang puno ng pagsasacrifice. They are trying to make what Jesus Christ did during Jesus Christ's sacrifice before he was crucified in the cross, in the Calvary. So it is an old tradition wherein they are trying to imitate Jesus Christ's passion during the time that Jesus Christ was being condemned by the people of that time. Actually, it just happened during Holy Week. Most particularly every Good Friday. And even young men, they are trying to execute what Jesus Christ did during the Calvary sacrifice. That is a old tradition. But some people criticize the old tradition about these things that they are doing, because most of the people, they are telling them, or they are saying that why they should do to hurt themselves. However, we cannot blame people to their faith when it comes to their faith, and no one can control them about their faith, because I think their faith, through doing it, can make them comfortable, and I think they feel have no sins. Even if it's too hot, they are still walking. Some of them have no sandals or even slippers in their feet, but most of them now have their sandals already. And look. Tradition here in the Philippines, and the wound that they are having at their back. That is the wound that they are trying to persecute. life of Jesus Christ. They are trying to do the passion of Christ through singing the book of the life of Jesus Christ. Yeah. That is what we call the passion of Christ. That they are trying to sing the life of Jesus Christ in different language, of course. It depends on the location in the Philippines. Yeah. Actually, they treat the reading of the Passion of Christ very sacred. So if you notice, there is an altar and the holy book of life of Jesus Christ there. That is actually, it is really cannot do by other countries is to hurt them. So they are going away, and I think this helps to document some sacrifices of the people. Actually, I am here at Phase 1 sa Makulis, Mabalacat, Pampanga, just to document this sacrifice during Good Friday, and to make it visible to some other people who are not aware of the things that the sacrifice means. So I think it's time to tell a bye-bye. Bye-bye.